Hey guys, Vulcan Trader here. Wanted to do a video on how to get Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency into your IRA, your Roth IRA, your 401k. I even think this is possible with like a health savings account. Um, so this is how you do it. It's just because it's hard, you can't. There's no, you know what I mean. You can't use Fidelity, Vanguard, your traditional brokerages and stuff. To none of them have cryptocurrency, or maybe even if they started off from Bitcoin, maybe you want some Dash or some, something else in there. So this is how you do it. So you use something called a self-directed IRA or an IRA LLC, also called a checkbook IRA. So what this is a it's a special type of IRA where you can invest in literally anything you want. Your IRA owns an LLC, and then the LLC can invest in any type of asset that you might want. You can invest in real estate, have a rental property. You could invest in, if you're, maybe you like to buy and sell horses and you make money doing that. You could do that with your IRA. So using this type of vehicle, you have the freedom to invest in anything you want. So you can invest in cryptocurrency if you have to have a trustee and a custodian to set this up. So if they allow cryptocurrency, then you can do it. And so I found one, and there's probably more than this one out here, but this is the one I found that had the lowest fees for this type of IRA. And set it up myself already, in the past, and it just so you know that it does work. I've done it all the way through the whole process. It takes a couple months to do, but so that's what a self-directed IRA is. So you got to have a trustee and a custodian. The one I use is Kingdom Trust, and I don't know if they're the trustee or custodian, but anyway, they only do one piece of it, and then you have to find someone else for the other piece. And I use SD plans for it, and they'll tell you the different ones that you can do. And so this is their website, Kingdom Trust. SD plans, the guy, email him, it's a different I think it's this one right here, but he has a different domain name for his email address. But for some reason, his email is a different website, and that website isn't up. But I think it's this one is their website, but it doesn't really matter. Talk to Kingdom Trust. They'll walk you through the whole thing. And this is their spot for the digital currency. If you go right here, and it tells you all about it. But essentially what you do, you talk to them, then they'll set you up with whoever the other party is that's the custodian or whatever, and then you end up setting up an LLC, maybe registered in another state or something, and then after you set up the LLC, you got to set up a bank account for the LLC. And then so I use Solera National Bank for the LLC bank account, and they're kind of friendly to cryptocurrency investing and stuff. And then once you got the the company, the bank account set up, then you can take money from either your you got to figure out, well, are you going to make a contribution that year for a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or maybe a solo 401k, something like that. But anyway, you can roll over or any of those ones you have currently, IRA, Roth IRA, 401k, roll it over into IRA, Roth IRA with or Roth IRA LLC with Kingdom Trust. And then you roll the funds into the bank account. Then after you got that there, then you got to go set up an account for the LLC on something like Coinbase. You can set up an institutional account with Coinbase or for your LLC. So you have to do it all separate from you, not in your name. It has to be in the LLC's name. You have to keep your funds from your IRA LLC separate from any of your personal accounts funds. So there's no intermingling of funds to make it legal, this type of IRA. So you set up a brand new account separate from your personal account, and then you can transfer money from your LLC bank account to here and then buy cryptocurrency. And Kraken also allows this. You can set up one here. I've run through both these. They work. Gemini allows it too, but I haven't run all the way through that. And any cryptocurrency exchange that'll allow you to set up an institutional account, or if you can just set up an account and not have to put in a social, if you just put in the LLC's name if it doesn't ask for any type of social or something. Because if your social is obviously associated to you. If it didn't ask for that, you just put in the name of the LLC, and then it would be good. It just has to be in the LLC's name some way, somehow. And then after you do that, Then you go buy your cryptocurrency in the name of your LLC IRA, and then you can go get you a wallet, either Atomic Wallet, Ledger, Trezor, something like that, that's totally separate from your personal account once again, and you buy it with funds from the LLC. Go buy you a Ledger and or Trezor, and just set all that up and withdraw it from your LLC account, and you've got yourself a cryptocurrency IRA, Roth IRA, that can invest in any cryptocurrency you can imagine. And if you haven't watched my other videos, I'll link to them. I've got my Bitcoin cryptocurrency fundamentals video, and then the absolute best way to invest in cryptocurrencies, so that you do this the right way. If you want it to be all tax-free, but you want the best strategy possible for long-term holding, I've got that for you. So watch my other videos. I'll link to them, and have a good day.